You a bit behind the scene. Here is welcome to
our YouTube channel,
and today
we're gonna show you this train collection.
That looks awesome. What do we have? Brio Smart Tech.
This is Big Jigs.
Wow.
And Thomas and Friends.
Thomas and Friends. Wow. Super cool. And then we have in here another Brio. We have our favorite trains or railway that we first started using when we start our YouTube channels few years ago, and still very famous, our railway track. And we got this amazing railway track that you can see in here. It looks awesome. We got the railway track, we got the road, all combined. So, and then we going to
show you
what we got.
Okay.
Oh, that's the train wash. Didn't go to train wash. We go to the service.
It's going to the service station to get
repaired. Oh, it's taking so long.
Oh, it looks like Percy.
Wow, this truck is super cool. They're super fast, those trucks.
Percy
I really love it. Wow.
That was quick.
Super quick. Oh, he's going for a wash.
Is it him or is it the train?
The train's going for a wash. And we're gonna change the track. And here we go. We don't. Yes. Oh, look. What's that? Which one is that? Who's gonna guess? Which one is that?
I think that's James.
I think so too. You had a good guess. Oh no, James out of rail, out of track. Oh no, he's crashed. It's out of the way. He was meant to be in the middle. Oh, what else do we have? Thomas again.
Is that Thomas?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Let's walk it to this.
Oh, Percy's back. Percy's back. Wow, this railway is awesome. Look at this.
Okay. Oh look. Here comes Percy to get his cargo.
Wow, that is awesome in here.
Oh no. And let's go. Oh no, Thomas found another way. Look, we need to stop with the bridge. Thomas is very fast.
Oh no, what just happened? Oh, we forgot to open the bridge. Oh no, yes. Oh, that's super cool. One on the top, the other on the bottom. That is awesome.
Here comes Thomas.
And we're gonna stop this train. And we're gonna move the crane.
Thomas has also been stopped.
Get it. Got it.
You got it, just on time.
Now let's detach.
Oh no, there's one train's waiting. And we're gonna change. Go, continue. Yes, your little hands would make it would be very useful. Oh no, it's going to crash again. Whoa, the train, wow, that Brio is super fast.
Percy's very strong. Oh, look at Victor.
And I guess that's gotta be a chance to show. Oh, it stopped.
It stopped. Now open it or close it.
And then you're gonna close. What's gonna happen? Awesome.
Oh no, Percy's gonna crash.
Wow! He just saved Percy. That truck, that blue truck is super fast.
Yeah.
Let's see if it's gonna catch up with the with the Percy.
Oh no, the blue one stopped. Let's help it. Yay.
Looks like this one wants to go in the wash.
Awesome.
Oh no.
It's washing itself. Now it's back on track.
Back on track.
Now this one wants to go. Oh, it looks like Thomas wants to go to the service station to get repaired.
Oh no, it's gonna crash. It's changed the lane. Oh.
Wow. Oh look, for James and Percy. They just passed each other. This is a nice rainbow.
You like it?
Yep. This is probably my favourite.
And this is gonna go in here and get repaired.
Percy. Oh no, Thomas and Victor are coming.
Oh no, they crash.
Oh no, look at the green train.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
And now this one can go in the wash. Repair.
Oh no, the red train has a problem. I think we need to call the helicopter. Oh, James helped it.
Oh, the train fall. James just fell off of the bridge.
Oh no, and here comes Victor. Look, this can just stop it. And then, let's go. Victor's pushing James. Oh no, there's a big crash. Look, here comes Percy.
Oh, one escaped. But it's soon gonna crash into Percy. Uh-oh. What we gonna do now? Maybe this one can just go backwards a bit.
Oh no.
But it's gonna crash into Victor. And Victor is gonna push it into Percy, and there's a giant crash.
Oh no.
Needs a little bit of help.
What are we gonna do here? Victor's trying to get him away. He's gone.
Oh, the truck stopped the train.
So hope you enjoy to watch our video. Apart of having so many trains crashing. Oh no, the train's gonna crash again with the truck.
Oh no.
Oh, did he go? Managed to go? Yes, yes,
Oh,
yes.
nearly.
Oh, it's about to get stuck. Oh.
Please subscribe and leave a like, and if you can, leave a comment.
Yes, please. Thank you for watching our video. Hope you enjoy.
And we've nearly forgot, ring the notification bell.
Yes, if you like it, leave your comment below and let us know what you think. If you can, if you're not, just with your thumbs up. We much appreciate it for your support.